Hey guys, this is your ODT expert, and today I bring you, and we will be unboxing the Buckshot 2.0 rugged speaker from OutdoorTech. First thing that we can see in the box is that it's a shockproof, it's waterproof, so it's perfect for your bike rides, and I'll tell you why. It has a little strap that will work as a mount. You can actually easily just you set it up on your bike. It's super lightweight, great playtime, has very good sound, and well, you can use Google Play or Siri in order to use the speaker as well. And let me show you what is inside the box. So let's unbox this thing. Hey guys, so this is what you will find inside the box. You have your ODT swag with a sticker. You have your charging cord, which is a micro USB. You have your user manual. You have the Buckshot, of course, and you have the Buckshot strap. This basically will work as a mount for your bicycle handle, right? So the way to use it is super simple. You just like wrap it around the Buckshot, right? And put it on top of the bike handle, and this will secure it on the other side. Super secure, it will not fall off, super easy to use. And as you guys can see over here, this is the Buckshot. It's a very small speaker with a very powerful speaker. And I will just turn it on real quick for you guys can actually hear it.
Power on, pairing.
And take a look at it. So basically that's the Buckshot 2.0 from OutdoorTech. If you have any questions, let me know.